All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 15 of our December daily math. Number 1, write a 3-digit number with a 4 in the ones place. So we have the hundreds, the tens, and the ones, and I need a 4 in the ones place. I'll put a 5 in the tens and a 3 in the hundreds. I have 354. All right, we're going to just practice adding. A little review. 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus that 1. Don't forget that 1. That's 8. Okay. Taco has 3 more toys than his friend Pugs. Pugs has 12 toys. How many toys does Taco have? Okay, so we know that Pugs has 12. So here's Pugs. He has 12. Okay. How many? And we circle that next word, toys. There we go. Put that over a little bit. Taco has 3 more than Pugs. So Taco has Pugs is 12 plus 3 more. 12 plus 3 is 15 toys. Okay? Okay, this number is odd or even. Well, it ends in an 8, so we know it's even. Why? We can split the number equally in half. There we go. 3 kittens fit in a box. 1, 2, 3. How many kittens will fit in 3 boxes? So we have 3 in this box, 3 in that box, and 3 in that box. 3, 6, 9. All right, boys and girls, there we are. We got day 15 and our daily math finished. See you tomorrow.